Welcome everyone. Today we're going to jump right in. I found all these items at Hobby Lobby in their after Easter clearance sale. However, you can probably find very similar things at any thrift store. I'm using the Hobby Lobby brand Crafter's Pick Super Glue because it is non-toxic, and my hot glue gun. I apply this candle holder to the bottom and weigh it down for 6 to 24 hours as per instructions. Once our adhesive is all dry, I place a little bunny ball on top and fill it up with birdseed. Voila! Option 1 is complete, but I'll show you a little trick at the end if you stay tuned. For garden option number 2, we're making a super simple bee bath using that same base, along with a Dollar Tree incense holder and a handful of rocks. Now the pollinators can stay refreshed all season long. Please friends, click like and subscribe now. I won't bombard you with notifications because I don't get to upload often, but your participation could really help our small family channel grow. Now for that little trick. Using a Dollar Tree garden hook, I secure a small porcelain pitcher found at a local thrift store. Now the birds can fill the bowl and their bellies all by themselves. It's still early in the season, so we have more birds than pollinators. We have chosen to use ours as the bird feeder. How will you use yours? Hope you enjoy. Have a blessed, beautiful, and crafty life.